Okay, so this question is 1 minus 5 over x over 1 minus 9 over x squared. So I see that there's an expression and an expression. So the best way to do this is to see them as separate expressions. So let's work on 1 minus 5x first. We can make the fraction have the same denominator. So because this is just a whole number, we don't have to multiply both of them by a fraction. We can just only work on one. So 1 times x over x over x. So that will just equal to x over x minus 5 over x. So now they have the same denominator. And then we can mush them together into x minus 5 over x. And now let's work on this one. So 1 minus 9 over x squared, we can multiply by x squared over x squared to make them have the same denominator. So then that will equal to x squared over x squared minus 9x squared. 9, just regular 9 over x squared. So then we can mush them together, minus 9 over x squared. So now we have both of our expressions. So now we can turn them into one fraction, because the original problem had a fraction with 2 expressions. So now if we put them together, but in a simplified form now, it's 9 over x squared. So this is a big fraction with 2, was it like quotients, I guess. And we can simplify this even more. The best way to simplify is to get rid of this fraction and fraction. So it's, what we're seeing right now is x minus 5 over x divided by x squared minus 9 over x squared. So if you remember from how to divide fractions, you can, so you put in the regular numerator and then multiply the reciprocal of the denominator. I don't know if you remember how to divide fractions, but this is the way to do it. And then, so the reciprocal is x squared over x squared minus 9. So multiply this together, it will just equal to, let's not simplify them just yet. Just put them into one fraction first. Just put it all into one. The problem with simplifying is that people simplify too fast. So just put them into parentheses. And then x times x squared minus 9. And what we can see here is that we can simplify the x. So then that will be equal to x minus 5 all over x squared minus 9. Since we cannot simplify anymore, we can just simplify the numerator. So x squared minus 5x all over x squared minus 9. And that's it. Please be careful. Do not simplify these two, because they are subtracting each other. This is a difference. If they were multiplying each other, yeah, you can simplify this. You can get rid of this, but we cannot do anything right now. So it would just be x squared minus 5x over x squared minus 9. That is the answer to this problem.